I mean, cake and candles do the job, but for an extra special celebration, adorn them with a custom-made birthday crown. It only takes paper and some basic crafting supplies to create birthday queen status and start a really fun new family tradition. And today, the Stamping Queen will show us how. You've been called the Stamping Queen before.
I like all the queen names.
Any queen.
Any queen names there are, I like it.
Any crown, any badge, any sash.
Yes.
Listen, this is not a lie, and I'm not just saying this because you're standing here and we're friends, but when I saw last night, as I do, put the kids to bed, review the show notes, when I saw you were coming today, I had this jolt of like happiness.
Oh, that's
I really
so
sincerely
nice.
did. So thanks for being here.
you too.
Thanks for being here,
It's
Queen.
been a minute.
Queen Heidi Swapp.
Queen.
Okay, these birthday crowns, tradition for your family?
Yes, I mean, I've been making them for a while because I like to make I like birthdays to feel special.
Yeah.
Right? And so I like to decorate and I like, but I like to take a picture of the person on their birthday, and the crown is just so cute.
It's just fitting, isn't it?
So I made the first one like a few years ago, and I made it with like pockets inside.
Okay.
So something like this. This has just like an extra flap that's folded. I don't know if you can really see it. Let me pull it up. So it's like got an extra fold in there.
A little paper pocket.
And I filled it with cash and with gift cards, and this was the gift.
Oh, cute.
Right?
Yeah.
And so, but then it was like so cute. Like wearing it, and so then it kind of evolved.
It almost gets cuter where some things are only cute for a limited age. A 16-year-old, 17-year-old wearing that crown, come on.
50,
a 50-year-old,
50-something, you know, and so and for any reason too.
Yeah.
Like I think that you can be like, okay, queen, you know, you're queen of this spotlight. Okay, you just graduated this, or you just achieved this. You're a queen. Boom. It's a great way to recognize and acknowledge, and you know, there can be kings too.
Of course. Gender not specific. And it feels special, like you made it, you gifted it, you tucked some cash inside,
and
that's extra.
Really, like what you're seeing here is some of my, okay, I'm a little over the top and I'm not sad about it.
No.
But you can also make it just really super basic.
So a basic paper zigzag is the shape.
Yes, and in fact, I think we're gonna throw this template, this is a really fancy template.
Oh, look, makes the most of every square inch of that piece of paper.
It is just really special. And so you just would print it out and cut it. And I like to sometimes trace it onto a piece of scrapbook paper.
Yeah.
A 12 by 12 paper, it's like 6 inches, this is 6 inches tall. So you get 2 pieces, and that will wrap well around an adult's head.
Yeah.
And then you need to kind of scale it back.
Yeah, you've stitched.
Well, I told you I was extra.
You are, I love it.
I love to do, you can do anything with it. The stamping, the washi tape, you can put die cuts on it, you can put tissue paper, gives it like a little bit of fluff. Ribbon is fun. But you just piece it together, and I can quickly show you how to piece it together.
Yeah.
I mean, she pointed out that I stitched, but the secret is really double-sided tape.
Okay.
Okay, so if I cut this, whether I am printing the template onto paper or tracing it and cutting it, then all I'm gonna do is put like a little piece of double-sided tape, and I can just piece it straight together, like, well, making the bottoms line up, okay? And then you can decide how to decorate, right? I have this one here.
This is so cute, the way you've layered stamps, right?
Layered, yes. There's a lot of stamping here. There's some die cutting, and I would continue and like stamp the word birthday so that as it went around the head, it would say happy birthday.
Yes.
And I may even, and I'll just pull this one. This is one that I just did for Capri.
Oh, look how fun.
And you know, I just added a lot of little words and phrases and different things that are layered, and this is cute when you look up close, but like in the photos, it doesn't show.
It disappears a little bit.
You know, but it still is kind of meaningful, like if it's a keepsake or something that you're gonna have around. This is one, I actually made myself a birthday crown on my birthday this year.
If you want a crown, make it.
Yeah, you can.
Queen.
And
Queen.
So I have like the year I was born, because I'm real proud.
Good to
and
see
you know. And so you can play around with the messaging on there too, like how old are you, or you know, what are you the queen of?
I love looking at you with your crown.
Well, how about this one?
That covered your hair.
I'm a real Halloween lover.
Are you?
That was really sarcastic, you guys. But how fun would be like the
Oh
Halloween
my gosh,
crown?
the bats! Stop,
Okay.
hold right there. The bats, we've got a little haunted house scene. We got a skeleton coming out 1 point.
This
Okay,
one
that's
has like
fun.
tons of points. It's got like, and where I cut these dips out of, I sewed on. So there was like, I mean,
Okay.
I am gearing up for Halloween.
You're
It's
ready.
so fun,
You're ready.
right?
Halloween queen. Really quickly, show us this little, is it a bunting or a little festive
Okay, yes.
tissue wrap?
So really quickly, if you wanted to have just a little bit more texture.
love that you're modeling them now.
Well, I think I should really put it on.
Okay,
me.
yeah.
Let's be honest.
Thank you. Deserved. Earned.
She's a
accepted.
queen. So this is regular tissue paper,
Yep.
and I am just putting glue and just like squishing it along.
Just squish, 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 squish,
Yeah,
squish.
and then I just double-sided tape some ribbon
Okay.
on top of there. And
Okay.
so it can be stamped, it can be adorned, there could be glitter involved, there could be kids in helping.
Yeah.
I think that you can add ribbon so that you can tie it on. If you're giving it to somebody you don't know what size they might be, maybe you want to make it.
I mean, because I have a big head, not in
Adjustable.
attitude, but in size. So that's appreciated.
That
the
could be.
adjustable option.
I should have put an H because these are actually all my personal.
This is your collection.
I just wear them at home.
She pulled them from her closet. Heidi, you're the best. The birthday crown, paper, little tissue bunting, and whatever embellishment, extra or not, that you choose to add, and you have yourself such a fun family tradition. What's coming up on HeidiSwapp.com?
Well, we are just.
Well, what?
We are just running straight into Halloween.
Hardcore.
We love it.
You are sprinting.
Yes, and so I love the stamping. You mentioned stamping, and so there is a stamping class that teaches the crowns, teaches all the stamping.
Oh, good.
I've got stamps on sale. We're coming right into Halloween stamping.
Okay. We sign up for the class online.
Yeah, just at HeidiSwapp.com.
Virtual class.
And I am a good teacher.
No, she really is. It's been a while since I've taken a class from you, a few years, but she's so fun, jumps to the screen, inspires you to fire up your own creativity for Halloween and beyond. We love you, sister. Thank you so much.
So good to see you.
I love the crowns and I love you.